everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today, we will show you how to draw Peppa Pig and George Pig opening their gift boxes. Let's draw and paint together. First, we are drawing Peppa Pig's head. We are drawing her eyes, nose, and mouth. Peppa Pig has a large gift box in his hand. Now we draw her body, legs, arms, and tail. Let's draw George Pig. I draw his nose and the shape of his head. Next, we're drawing his eyes, mouth, and a small circle on his cheek. And these are his ears. Now, we are drawing his body, legs, and tail. We are drawing a toy dinosaur here. George Pig is Peppa Pig's younger brother and often appears cute and innocent. He loves dinosaurs and always carries a toy dinosaur with him that he calls Mr. Dinosaur. I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me. Draw slowly and carefully. No need to rush. No need to be perfect, as long as you have fun. Now let's color the picture to make it more vivid.
Pink.
Peppa Pig is a lovable but slightly bossy little pig. She is 4 years old and lives with Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, and her little brother George. Peppa likes playing with her best friend Susie Sheep, visiting Granny and Grandpa Pig, and looking after George. Most of all, Peppa loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles, laughing and making loud snorting noises.
Red, yellow,
Green. Pink.
George is Peppa's little brother. He is 18 months old and loves to play with his big sister Peppa, even when she's being bossy. George's favorite thing is his toy dinosaur. He carries it everywhere with him. George can't speak yet, but can say one word very well. Dinosaur!
blue,
You can use any color you like to color the picture.
yellow,
Green.
Now the picture is very beautiful, isn't it? Wow! I hope this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How to Draw channel. See you in the next video.